In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn an image into a circle image on Photoshop. So I'm going to do this the easy way. I'm not going to do any complicated stuff. Just follow the steps and then you should be able to have a circle image in Photoshop. So as you can see right there, as of right now, this is definitely not a circle, right? But let's say I want to make a circle out of the Apex Legends logo. So what I'm going to do is go over to Google and then all I'm going to do is search for turn square image into circle. I recommend doing that as well. And then go to this website, LunaPic. And then once you're here, you can see I've already done this since I was doing some research. But what you can do is go to this website, click on image, click choose file, and then upload that file that you want to turn into an image. So instead of doing this on Photoshop step by step, which is gonna take a while, you simply want to upload that image on this website, which I'll do right now. So you want to upload the image, click on open. It's then gonna upload. There we go. So this is now our image, and then all you want to do is click on crop right there, then select the circle. And then you can do this. So you pretty much want to select the part that you want to turn into a circle. Let's say that's this part. You then select it, click on crop image, and there you go. You then click on save image as, you download it, you save it. You then go to Photoshop, you click on place, and you open the picture, and there we go. I now have this as a circle image on Photoshop. That's the easy way. So yeah, I hope you appreciate this quick and simple tutorial. If you do, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.